Can a determined do-it-yourselfer replace a toilet flange safely and cost-effectively, or should you call a plumber when things get complicated? A basic toilet flange replacement is a feasible do-it-yourself project for someone comfortable with moderate plumbing and basic carpentry. First, turn off the water supply at the shutoff valve and flush the toilet until the tank and bowl are empty. Then soak up remaining water with a sponge to prevent spills. Remove the toilet by unscrewing the floor bolts and lifting straight up with a second person. If the fixture is heavy, set it on a padded surface to avoid damage. Inspect the flange area for corrosion, cracks, or rot in the subfloor and measure the flange height relative to the finished floor. The flange should sit about 1/4 inch above the finished floor for a reliable wax seal or be fitted with an appropriate wax ring alternative. Select the correct replacement flange material and style, such as PVC for plastic drain systems or brass for older metal drains, and use stainless steel or brass screws for longevity when attaching to the floor. When reinstalling, use a fresh wax ring or a wax-free seal compatible with your flange height. Torque the bowl bolts evenly and check for leaks by refilling the tank and applying a dye test in the bowl. Common problems include discovering rotten or soft subfloor under the flange, which will cause wobble and leaks unless you cut out and patch the damaged area with plywood and appropriate floor joist supports, or install a flange repair ring designed for slightly damaged floors. Another frequent issue is a flange seated too low relative to the finished floor, which leads to persistent leaks. Solve this by using a flange spacer or an extended flange kit to raise the flange to the correct height before resealing. A third concern is corroded cast iron or brass drain pipes that do not accept a new flange. If you see significant rust, pitting, or irregular surfaces, call a licensed plumber, because cutting back and adapting to a different material or installing a new closet bend can require specialized tools and knowledge. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical project guidance for jobs like flange replacement, and we also help contractors showcase their services to people looking for work. We host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share tips, ask questions, and post real-world experiences so you can learn from others before you start.